Okay, I start recording. Okay.
Thank you very much.
لا لا, no problem. Mela, opening an existing document now. Okay. So to open an existing document, for example, I want to open base doc, which is a Word document, which is saved on my student folder. Okay. I want to open this document. Okay. So what we should do, okay, I go File, Open, Browse. Okay. So in the exam, he will tell you in which location your document is saved. Okay. In the exam, normally will tell you Z. Okay. For example, my student document is in my local disk C for me. So I will choose C. I go to student folder, double click. I repeat, I double click. Okay. Which file name he told me? Base document. Okay, Mela. I will choose the name of my document. And I go down, I scroll down, base document. And I open it, an existing document. This is an existing document. Okay, Mela. If I want a navigation in the document, I can use the go to feature. Okay, where I will find it. Okay, so I will show you. So here we have home, the home tab. Okay, sorry. So we have the home tab. I go editing, find, go to. Editing, find, go to. If I want to go to page number 2, I just type 2 here and I click go to. Okay. If I want to find a word, I don't know, customer, for example, I am searching for the word customer. I type the word customer, okay, and I write find. I click find, okay, so he will highlight it here, okay. I have many occurrence of the word customer. The word customer is repeating in my document. It's repeated, so I go to next. Okay, so please, you have to remember where we find this go to feature. Okay, so editing, you see here, find, go to. Okay, in the exam, for example, a question he will tell you, he will ask you where we should click to go to the page number 2, for example. Okay, I will move on to the next question. Here we have a review exercise. We will do it in the mock test, okay? Not to waste the time. Document view. How we will change the view of our document, how we will zoom in and out, displaying and how we will hide the ruler, how we will format the paragraph marks, soft carriage returns, opening multiple documents, switching between documents. Mela, we will start by changing the view. Okay. But I can choose the read mode, print layout, web light, outline, draft. So the read mode, this displays the document as a digital magazine. Okay. Print layer layout, the document appears on the screen as it would appear in a printed document. The web layout, the document appears as a web page. Outline, this layout shows the headings and subheadings in your document. And draft, the document appears with a dotted line separating the pages and showing the space between the pages. Okay, so I will show you the steps. So here, if I go View tab, okay, the View tab, all right, I can choose. For example, in the exam, he will ask you, I want to change my document to a read mode. So I just click on read mode. Okay, this is the read mode. Okay. So I press escape on my keyboard, okay, to return to my normal light, the print light. Okay, so how we will zoom in and out. Okay, so the same. So in my view tab, here you have the zoom command. So for example, in the exam, he will tell you zoom this document to 150%. So here I will write 150, okay, and click OK. You see my document now is bigger because we gave it 150. Another options, you can scroll down here on the bottom of your document. On the toolbar, you have also this option to zoom, okay? But I prefer to go to View, Zoom, and you can type which percent your document will be, okay, in Zoom. Okay, I will return to 100% now. So the ruler, okay. So if I want to show my ruler, okay, so I will go to the show group, okay, and I will go show group. You see here, view, always in view. I tick this option, view ruler, okay. So if my ruler is doesn't appear, I just tick this option, okay. So what is the function of the ruler? So it will give me on centimeter. For example, for the margins, I will use it. For the tabs, okay. So I can leave, for example, 2 centimeters to the left margin, okay. The ruler will help me, okay, to measure, okay, the margins if you want, okay. Formatting paragraph marks. Mela, what is a paragraph in Word, Microsoft Word? Mela, a paragraph starts when I enter a line. For example, this is a paragraph. This first line is one paragraph. terms and condition of sale. Why? Because I typed enter. Okay, so a paragraph and before an enter command. Okay, if I enter, I am creating paragraphs. To show my marking, okay, paragraph, I just go home and click on this icon, on this option, show or hide marking paragraph. So you see here, because I typed enter, so I have one paragraph here, another paragraph, another paragraph, another paragraph, okay? Okay. So please remember how to show and hide the paragraph marks, okay? So we go home and just click on this option. Mela. Soft carriage return. So a soft carriage return is a manual line break. Okay, but I am on the same paragraph. So what we have to do, I will type, for example, I have lesson 3, working with documents, okay, and I want to make a soft carriage returns, okay. So I will just press Shift and Enter of my keyboard, okay. Mela, I will show you. Sorry. Mela, for example, lesson 3. So I will type Shift Enter. Okay. I write, for example, working with documents. So if I want to show the marking paragraphs, you can see here I have this symbol for entering, okay, key, okay. But all this is one paragraph, lesson 3, working with documents, okay. If I want to change the font color, for example, in this paragraph, this is one paragraph, okay. Opening multiple documents. Sorry. To open multiple documents, for example, I want to open the bus doc and the info doc. Okay, these two documents which are saved on my student folder. Mela, I will go File, Open, Browse, my student folder. So he told me the bus document and info document. So I will select the first document and then I will press the Control key of my keyboard. Okay? I will keep pressing the Control. Okay? And I can choose another document. Okay? For example, header footer. For example, okay? So here I have two documents selected. Okay? And click Open. So the two documents are opened now on the same time. Okay? So how we will switch now between these documents? So we will go to View tab and we can use the switch windows. Okay, so if I go to the View tab, so here you have switch windows command. Okay, and I can choose in which document I want to switch. Okay, so I repeat, View, switch windows. Okay, and I choose which document I want to switch. Okay, editing text now. So in Microsoft Word, we can edit text using either insert mode or overtype mode. Okay, so we will use the insert key of my keyboard to insert and overtype for insert and overtype mode. But before, I have to enable the use of the inserted key, okay, in the advanced options. Okay, so if I go to File, Options, Advanced, here I click Advanced, so I have to tick this option. So enable use the insert key to control overtype mode. I have to tick this option. Okay, I validate with OK. They will not ask you in the exam to set this option. Okay, so just I showed you how to do it. Okay, what it means, overtype or insert. But please pay attention to explain the difference between overtype and insert. May I create blank document now? So I will write hello world, for example. Okay. Or I will change ICDL documents. Here I want to add workforce, ICDL workforce, the word workforce. Okay. If I am using the overtype mode, okay, so if I click here in the bottom toolbar here, I can choose overtype or insert mode. Okay, so if I choose the overtype, okay, and I write the word workforce, so you see I can add this word. Okay, because I am in the insert mode. So if I am on the overtype mode, okay, I will delete this word. I will choose the overtype mode. And I add document, okay, the letters, they are deleting, okay. For example, I will write Marta E. Okay, this is the insert mode. You see here? So overtype, you see it's deleting now. Okay, if I will insert a letter before T, let's say for example W, the T is deleted. Why? Because I am on overtype mode. If I choose the insert mode, okay, I can add my letters. Okay, I will move on to the next. Deleting a text now. So we can delete a text by using the backspace or the delete key of my keyboard. Okay. So I will open a document, the bus doc, this document. So this is my document. So he will ask me to delete, sorry, the letter so G in the word returning. The word returning. In which paragraph I have to see? Okay, returning here in the paragraph returns. Returning, I want to delete the G. So I can use the backspace. Okay, the escape. Okay, my keyboard. Okay. And I can use the delete key. Okay. So for the delete key, I have to insert my cursor, okay, before the G, okay. So I press delete. If I will use the escape key, I have to position my pointer after the G, okay. So to delete a word now, okay. So I will delete the word govern, and I will type cover instead or govern. Okay, so I will double click on the word govern. Okay, terms and conditions of sale paragraph. I will double click on this word. I will just type cover. Okay, copying, moving, and pasting a text. Okay, so to copy, we are using the copy command, copy paste, and to move, we are gonna to use cut paste. Okay, so we will select the text, the sentence worldwide telephony systems. Okay, in the first paragraph under the returns heading. Okay, and we will click cut. Okay, and then we will paste it after the word defective at the end of the second paragraph under the heading returns. Okay, so worldwide telephony system. Okay, returns heading. Mela, worldwide. Okay, so I will select the sentence. So go home. I will use cat option. Okay, so here you have the picture of Caesar. Okay, so cat, and then he told me to paste it after the word effective in the end of the second paragraph under the heading returns. Voilà. Voilà. I will add paste it here and the second paragraph. I will use paste comment. And I repeat, we did cut paste. Okay, if we want to copy it, we will just choose copy paste. Okay, I will repeat. If I want to copy, for example, the first sentence of the first paragraph, sorry, select, copy, and then I will copy it to the end, for example, of my document. Then paste. Okay, so I have my first sentence copied here at the end of page 1. Okay, Mela. So during the test in the exam, if they tell you copy, so you just select copy. Okay, repeat. So how you select a sentence? You have two options. You can press Ctrl command of your keyboard and you just click on the sentence. Okay, or you drag on your mouse. Okay, from the first letter of the sentence to the last letter. Okay, and then you choose. If they tell you copy, you click copy. If they tell you move, you choose cut. Okay, so move, we will move it from this place to another place in the document. Okay, Mela. Let me move on to the next. So practice, we will practice, okay, these comments, okay. So we will open the tips document. So we will open two documents, newsletters and tips.docx, okay. So newsletters and tips. So I will go. You can repeat the steps with me. Huh? So I will open newsletters, the first document, and the other one, tips. Okay, file, open, okay. Oh, tips, document, okay. and I have my two documents. First, he told me we want to copy and paste so we will select copy the numbered list in the tips document and paste it into the blank table in the newsletters document. Tips document, I will go to tips document. So I will copy the numbered list. So I will select the numbered list. Okay, I am selecting. So before I choose copy command, I have to select my text with my mouse. Okay, and then I will click copy. Okay, where I will paste it in my newsletter table. So here I have a table. So I will position my cursor at the beginning of my table. Okay, I will click inside, and then I will choose the paste. Here you have the paste icon. You see? So I click, and my numbered list is copied in my newsletter document. Okay, you can practice with me. Yeah? This exercise is for you. So in the exam, you will have this question. Okay. So the move now, we will move. Now my mouse is stuck. Yeah. So I will move from the tips document. So select the text to move. Okay. So here we will move from the newsletter document. Okay. We will move a sentence. Okay. For example, this paragraph. I will select it, and then I will use cut option, and I will move it after the table. So paste. So I repeat, select my paragraph, cut, I go to my position where I want to insert to move my paragraph. Okay, and I click paste. So in the exam you have two options. You have copy paste or move a paragraph from one position to another using the cut paste. Okay. So you have an alternative short commands. Okay, for copy and paste and cut. So for copy, use the Ctrl+C of our keyboard keys. Okay. To cut, Ctrl+X, and to paste, Ctrl+V. Okay. Now, if I want to cancel, for example, I did a mistake and I want to cancel this this step, I can use the undo button or the redo button. in the quick access toolbar. Okay. For example, if I don't know, if I did, for example, mistake in the list number 7, okay, I deleted the last word, and I want to cancel, okay, I will use the undo arrow, okay. Okay, here you have the undo arrow and the redo arrow. ملخ. Formatting a text. Okay. So how we will change fonts, font size, applying bold, italics formats, underlining, changing font color, applying subscripts and superscripts, using format painter, working with hyperlinks, changing case, clearing formats. Okay. Mela, I will start by formatting a text. Okay. So if I want to change the type of my font, okay, and the size, for example, in the format document, you have a new student folder. I will open it. So file, open, browse, format. Okay. So I open this document. So what is the first question? Mela, I will change the font type to Times New Romans, from Times New Romans to Tahoma, okay? And I will choose 12 as size, okay? So which word we will do this? For the title online video, okay? Okay. We will select the words online video in the first sentence. The online video, I will select, first I will select my title, okay? Just I will type Control and I click on my title. So here you have in the font home, okay? In the font options, I can choose which font type. Times New Romans, he told me Tahoma, okay? I will choose Tahoma, and then I will choose 12 as the size. I can change the color of my text. So I can choose green, for example. I can highlight it. I can use a text effects. Okay. I can put it on bold. I can underline it. Okay. Okay. So here you have the options to change the font of your text. Any questions? Any questions? Or I move on to the next. Okay, I will move on to the next. Okay. So for underlining, I can choose also which type of line. Okay. So I will show you. So here I have a double underline, a dashed, dotted, dashed. Okay. You have many options. Okay. If I want to choose a double, my text will be underlined on double line. Okay? Changing font color. So I showed you how to do it. Okay? Applying subscript and superscript. Okay? So at the end of the document format, we want to write H2O and 4 to the power of 2 equals 16. So you know in chemistry H2O it's water molecule. Okay, but the 2 has to be a subscript letter. Okay, so please this question will come up on the exam. Please pay attention because I will write bigger. H2O. I want this 2, okay, subscript letter. Just I select 2 and I go here font subscript. Okay, so the 2 will be under the H. Okay, if I want to write 4 to the power of 2 equal 16. So this 2, it has to be the exponent, the power. So how we will do it? So I will select the 2 and then I will choose the superscript letter. Okay, option. Okay, so in the exam they will tell you, for example, change this letter to superscript or subscript. So you have these options. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask me before I move on to the next. Sorry, Mela. So this is for the subscript and superscript. Mela, using format painter. So what is a format painter? So it's allow you to copy formatting from one piece of text to another. Okay, Mela, we will do an example. Okay, so I will select the text stems and styles in the paragraph with the document view heading. Document view document. So I will select this text and I will copy the formatting. Okay, so here you have an icon. It's called format painter. Okay, format painter. I will click on it. Okay, so I will copy it where? To the smart art graphics in the 5th line in the paragraph with the document view. Okay, Mela. 5th paragraph. Okay. Mela, smart. You have to look for smart. Yes, I've found it. Smart art graphics. Okay. Mela, I will zoom here. So I repeat. So I will select these 3 words themes and styles. I go to Format Painter, and I will select Smart Art Graphics. So, can you see here the same format is copied to these letters? Okay. We don't need to repeat again doing or setting up the formats for the size, for the font type. Okay, so we just use this option Format Painter. Is it clear? Okay, and I will move on to the next. Changing case. So in Word, Microsoft Word, we can change case in the font group. We can we can capitalize the first letter of each sentence by choosing sentence case. I can make all the selected text lowercase by choosing lowercase. Uppercase for makes all the selected text capitalized. We can capitalize each word. It means that we can capitalize the first letter of each word in the selection. Or toggle case, it means switch the case of each letter in the selection. I mean the lowercase becomes uppercase and vice versa. Okay, so I will show you via an example. So select the word professionally in the fourth line under the online video heading. Okay, and we will choose the option uppercase. Okay, so the fourth line under the online video heading. Online you have here the word video. We want to capitalize the letters. Where we have to go, we just change the case. We click on this option. Okay, I go uppercase. Okay, so in the exam, for example, he can tell you capitalize each word of this paragraph. But I will select the whole paragraph, and I will choose this option, capitalize each word. Okay. This question will come up in the exam. Please keep it in your mind. Okay. So sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. Working with hyperlinks. So what is an hyperlinks? So they are links to a web page or a document or parts of a document that can be followed by clicking the link that is anchored into an anchor text. So we will practice this using the same document. Okay. So I will select the word theme in the document's theme heading. Okay. And then I will insert a link. Okay. And I will open a new document, which call it theme document. Okay. From my student folder. Okay. And a document. I will go to document tab. I will select this word. Please pay attention. This question will come up in the exam. Okay. Are you with me? Mela, please pay attention. To insert an hyperlink. This, I mean, I am sure in the exam will come up this question. Okay, Mela. I want, when I click in the when I hover my mouse on this word, I will open a new document, which call it tem. But I will select this word first. I will go insert. You can see here link. I will click on link. Okay. So in the exam, they will not tell you to link it to a document. They will tell you, for example, if I click on this word, go to this website, http, for example, and they will give you the URL of the website. Okay, this address, for example. Okay, so what will happen if I click on this word? I will open the website. Okay, I can also link my word to a document. Okay, so I will when I click on tem word, I will go to the tem document. Okay, you see here, if I click, I press Ctrl of my keyboard and I click on this word, I open a new document. My document is opening now. Okay, Mela, is it clear for the hyperlinks? Okay, it will come up in the exam, I'm sure. Okay, so to remove a link, if I want to remove this link, just I click link here and you have the remove link button just on the bottom right. Remove link. Okay, right? Mela, if I want to clear all the formats, okay, I can choose the clear all formatting option. Okay, I will select the last two words, different galleries, in the paragraph with the heading online video. Okay, Mela, online video. I will go to this paragraph. Mela, I will select these two words and I want to clear the formatting. But I will go home here and you have these options. Okay, clear all formatting. So just click on this option. So the formatting will disappear. I will delete all the formatting, the color, bold, underlined, okay, highlighted, it disappear. Okay. Lesson 6, formatting paragraphs. So in this section, so we will learn how to create and merge paragraphs, how to align paragraphs, how to align text and click and type, paragraph spacing, line spacing, how we will apply border, how to copy paragraph formats. Mela, we will start by creating and merging paragraphs. Mela, from your student folder, open the par form document. Okay. Mela, I will file, open, and I will go browse. Par form document. So here I have my document is open. Okay. So what is the question? So position the insertion pointer in the document where you want to create a new paragraph. So I will click after the word Mexico. I will press enter and then enter again. Okay? So I will search for the word Mexico. You see here the word Mexico. Okay? I want to create a paragraph. So what is a paragraph? The paragraph will start when I press enter. So I will create one paragraph, two paragraphs. So if I click on the show hide button here, comment, you can see I have two mark because I created two paragraphs. Okay. If I want to merge, what we should do, we should delete the paragraph which I created. Okay. I want to click after the word warranted and then press delete twice. I will search for the word warranted. Okay, you see here the word warranted. Okay, after the word here. Okay, so I want to merge these two paragraphs. Please pay attention because this question will come up in the exam. So here I have one paragraph and I have another paragraph. So I want to merge these two paragraphs. So what we have to do, we have to first delete the first line and then delete the second line. Okay, so here we have only one paragraph. Okay, if I want to merge the first paragraph with the second paragraph, okay, I will delete this line. So I have one paragraph. If I want to create a new paragraph after the word Mexico, I will press enter. So now we have one paragraph, two paragraphs. So a paragraph starts from a new line. So when I have a new line, I have a new paragraph. Okay? If I didn't press enter, I will continue in the same paragraph. When I press enter, I create a new paragraph. If I want to merge now, I just delete this line. Okay? I merge now the first paragraph with the second paragraph. Okay? Aligning paragraphs. I still have 10 minutes. At 7 o'clock, we'll have a break 15 minutes. Okay? So aligning paragraphs. Okay? So click in the text Feld Man Sparks Ltd. Okay? At the top of the page. So this is the title, my title. Okay? So I will select it. So here in the paragraph options, okay, we can align this title to the left, clicking to this option. If I click center, my title will be centered. If I will click align right, my title will be aligned to the right. If I click to the last option, my title will be justified. I can do it for a paragraph also, for the first paragraph. Okay, if I want to align it to the left or to center it, to the right or to the justified. Okay, so what is the difference between align left, right, center, and justified? Okay, so here I have a text. If I align it on the left, so all the line will be aligned to the left on the same level. I don't care about the center or the right. If I want my text centered, so my line will be in the center. If I want my text aligned to the right, all the line will be aligned to the right. Okay, so if I want to justify, so it will be aligned on the left and on the right. Okay, if I want to justify, okay, you see here my text is justified. Okay, next, aligning text with click and type. Okay, this is another option. Open new document. For example, I want to write a word. Let's say, for example, ICDL, and I want it in the center of my document. So here I am moving the cursor of my mouse. So you see here, I will move it, and you see that it appears a line to the left. So when it appears a line to the left, I will double click. This option is selected. If I will go more further, I want it center, for example, to my document. Okay, you can see here, I can select here center. Okay, this option. Okay, you can see because I put it here. If I go further, it will be aligned to the right. Okay, so this is another option. Paragraph spacing. So what is a paragraph spacing? So it's the space between the lines. Okay, so when I write a text, okay, I want the space between my lines, so this space. Okay, I want it 1 centimeter, 2, 3, okay, 1.5, okay. So what I should do, clicking into thank you for choosing paragraph. Okay, I will go, I close it, the document. Which paragraph I have to choose? No, I can't open. Why? Mela, the format paragraph. So thank you for choosing the end. So I will select this paragraph. So please keep in your mind the selection. Before I change the formatting, I have to select my paragraph. How we select? We have two options. I drag my mouse from the first letter to the end of my paragraph, or just I press the Control key of my keyboard and just click on my double click on my paragraph. Okay, so I have the selection first. Okay, if I don't select my paragraph and I want to change the spacing, nothing will happen. Okay, so if I change the spacing and I don't select my paragraph, okay, nothing will happen. So I will select my paragraph first, and then I go to the spacing option here. I will change this to 1.5, for example, centimeter. You can see if I change bigger, so the space between the line is bigger. Okay, so I will stop here and then we will continue after 15 minutes. Okay, so we'll have a break for 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Okay. No. Hello again. Paulo here, James, Rita, Vanessa, Maxim here, Claire. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes. You hear me?
Yes.
Okay, everyone here. James here. Maxim.
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. Claire. Claire.
Okay, sir. أنا كده.
Sylvia.
أنا
Sylvia.
كده. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, I'm here.
Khatri. Kassar. Aurora.
I'm here.
Kassar.
أنا كده.
Okay, okay. Alicia. Hello, Alicia. Idera. Hello, Idera. Alicia here.
I'm here.
Idera. Alicia. Vatsallo. She left the... She left, but she... We didn't answer. Okay, Mela, we will continue. Okay, I know it's boring for you, but we have to do it with the lesson. But in the mock test, you will see we will practice more. Okay, it will be more easier for you to understand these concepts. Okay, so just now follow the lesson. Okay, and I will do it in more details when we are gonna to do the mock test. Okay. Madam. Mela, for the spacing, I said it's the space between the lines of a paragraph. Okay. So here I have a paragraph. So I can specify how many centimeter between the lines. Okay, we will leave between the lines. Okay, we can do it. So I will show you how we do it. Okay, for example, we will select the first paragraph. Sorry, well, I will select the first paragraph, and then I will go to line and paragraph spacing here. This is one method. Another method, we can click on this. You see on the bottom, on the right bottom arrow here, paragraph setting. Okay, so another window will open. Okay, for paragraph setting. So I can choose the spacing before and after. So what it means before and after? Well, I have I have two paragraphs. I have one paragraph here. So I repeat, a paragraph. What is a paragraph? So until I didn't skip a line, I didn't press enter, I am in the same paragraph. Okay, so this is one paragraph. Okay, the first paragraph. So I want to leave a space between the first paragraph and the second paragraph. Now I enter it. I pressed enter key. So when I start to write, I created a new paragraph. So this is my second paragraph. Are you with me? Paragraph number 2. So if I want to specify how many centimeter we will leave before the second paragraph, okay, and after, okay. So we can do it by choosing these options. So spacing, so I repeat, I select the paragraph, the first paragraph, for example. I go to the paragraph comments. I click in this arrow on the bottom. So I go spacing and I specify, for example, 6 points before and after. Okay. Before I have 6 points between dear Rob and the first paragraph. So this space I have 6 points. And after I have 6 points. Okay. I repeat, I select paragraph. If I want to change it to 12 for after, you see here in the view, in the preview, okay, the space is bigger now. Okay, but I have before spacing and after spacing. Okay, I will move on. So the line spacing. Okay, so for the line spacing, the space between the line, okay. So you have two options. I can choose the line spacing from here, or I click on this arrow, paragraph, and I go line spacing. Okay, if I want a double, okay, you see here the space between the lines is bigger. Okay, so during the exam, he will tell me which space I have to leave between the lines. Okay, but I will move on now to the border shading. Okay, a paragraph. Okay, Mela, I am in the same document. Okay, I will select the first paragraph. Thank you for choosing. I want to apply a border. Okay, so what we have to do, just we select our paragraph. Okay, and I go to this command, borders. So borders and shading. You see the last one. So borders, I repeat, the last command, border and shading. Okay, so I will choose box setting. Here you have setting, box. Okay, I can choose the style. Can be simple line, can be double. Okay, okay, I can choose the color, red, for example, or light blue. Okay, and the width. Okay, and I will apply that to my paragraph. Okay, okay, and I validate with okay. You see here, I created what we called a border. Okay, is it clear? Mela. Next, copying paragraph formats. So we can copy, for example, this format to the second paragraph. And I will select my first paragraph. I will choose Format Painter. And we will apply the same border to the second paragraph. And I will select my second paragraph. You see, the format is copying. I don't have to repeat the steps, okay, for the second paragraph. I will just copy the format, okay, by using this option, Format Painter. Okay, Mela. Indenting paragraph. So how we will change the left indent, indenting the first line, creating a hanging indent, creating a right indent. Okay? So what is an indentation? So an indentation determines the gap between the paragraph and either the left or the right margin. Okay? Mela. Mela, here I have a document. I will start to write. Okay? So if I start to write, I can leave some space from the left or from the right. Okay? If I want to start from here, okay, right? Okay, or I can start from here. So the indentation, okay, it's this gap between the paragraph and the left or the right margin. Okay. So I will open the indentation paragraph document. Okay. So I will go File, Open, Rows. So indentation paragraph. Okay. Mela. So what is the question? So increase. Sorry. The indentation, okay, by using the indentation command for the home tab. Okay. So if I want to increase the indentation of my first paragraph, so I will show. Okay. Mela. Or the second paragraph, no problem. So here you have this option. Increase indentation. So move your paragraph farther away from the margin. You see? I can decrease the indentation. Okay, this is one way you can do it using this method. Okay. Another method using the paragraph option window. Okay. So you have here the left indentation and the right indentation. Okay. So I can increase the left indentation or I can decrease. Okay. So using the paragraph dialog box. If I want to make an indentation for the first line only, so we can use the ruler. Okay. So the indent marker. So for the first line indent, okay, indents only the first line of the selected paragraphs from the left margin. Okay. So using the top triangle. Okay. For the hanging paragraph, we are using the bottom triangle. Okay. So I will show you how we will use. Mela. Here on the ruler, you see we have two triangles, one bottom and one left. So if I want to make an indentation only for the first line of my paragraph, you see here, this is my paragraph, okay? I want to indent only the first line. So I will use this triangle, okay? The bottom triangle used, okay, to indent the only from the second sentence to the end. Okay, you see, the first line it stayed fixed, didn't move. The other lines they moved. You see, the other triangle, the top triangle, is used to make an indentation for the first line. Okay, you see, if I move this triangle, the top triangle, I am moving the first line. The other lines, they don't move. Okay, so this is one way we can do it, and another way we can do it by using the paragraph box. So here you have indentation special first line, so we will move only the first line. Okay, for example 2.3 centimeter. Okay, and using the hanging option to only move the rest of my lines. The first line will not move. Okay, is it clear? Okay, the indentation. Okay, here I did the steps. Okay, same. For the right also the same. Okay, here I can use left or right. Okay, it depends on the question. Okay, he can ask you in the exam, apply a left indentation. Okay, it could be a hanging or first line. Okay, lesson 8, character and paragraph style. In this section we will learn about applying a character style, applying a paragraph style. I will open the edit document from my student folder. File, open, browse, edit. Okay. We will apply a paragraph style. Okay. We will change first the character style. Okay, so we will select the text 45 days under the heading payment. I will select 45 days. Okay, this text, and then we will apply here he said we will apply in the style group intents emphasis. Okay, style. Home, I will go to home tab, and here you see you have options for styles. So he told me I want to choose the intents emphasis style. Okay, you have many options. Okay, you can, it depends on the question. Okay, he will tell you which style you will select, you will choose. Next, how to apply a paragraph style. So it's the same. So I will select the paragraph prior to return under the heading returns. Okay, when I enter the heading returns, I will select this paragraph. I will select this paragraph. Okay, Then he told me I will choose the style list paragraph. Mela, first I selected the paragraph. And then I go home tab. Okay? What happened to my... Okay. So home, style, list paragraph, he told me. So I will choose this style. Okay? I repeat, select the paragraph, home, style, okay, list paragraph. If you have any question, you can stop me, okay? Bullets and numbering now. So in this section, we will learn about how we will type a numbered or bullet list, applying numbers or bullets to text, adding a numbered or bulleted item, removing numbers or bullets from text, changing a bullet or number style. Okay? Melech. From the student folder, I will open the success document. I will go File, Open, and I will search for this document. Okay, success. Okay, Mela. So we will click below the header product by order of sales. I will type Corimax, Colty, Maxi Flexi, Dash Call, what Jalch. Mela. Product by order of sales. Mela. Mela here. You see, I have a numbered list. Mela, the first word, I didn't remember the first word. What is it? I think Corimax. Mela, Corimax, I will write, I will type. Corimax, and then when I press enter, okay, another numbered list is created. So the cursor is waiting for me to enter a new item, a new number list. Okay, so the second one is called call T. So call I enter the third one. So Maxi Flexi. So Maxi. Okay. I enter. So I clicked enter. Fourth item, Dutch call. And Dutch call. Enter. The fifth, Jalach. Okay. Okay, here I created a numbered list. Okay. Mela. How to apply a numbered or bullets to text. Okay. So in this same file, okay, I will highlight all items under success satisfaction metrics paragraph. Mela. Success Okay? Please pay attention because you will have this question in your exam. It will come up this question. They will give you 5 or 6 lines. Okay? So we will number these lines. So what we have to do, we have to select these lines from the first line to the last line, and then I will go home tab, and here you have the bullets. So if they tell you in the exam, choose the bullet list, so you can choose a bullet list. If they tell you choose number list, so you can choose one from these options. Okay? So I repeat. So I select. Let me repeat. I will select the 5 lines. I will go to home. So in the exam, he can ask me a bullet list. So I will choose, for example, one option, okay? Or numbered list. It depends on the question, okay? Okay, so you have the steps how to do it, okay? I will move on to the next question. So how to add a numbered or bullet item? So I want to add a new item. I will call it cheap discount. Okay, I return to my document. Okay, so after the 5th item, I will just press enter of my keyboard. I press enter, the 6th item will be created. Okay, I will call it cheap discount. Okay, if I enter again, I am creating a new item. Okay, removing numbers or bullets from text. Okay, so this question will come up. Please, in the exam, pay attention. He will tell you to remove the numbered or bullet list. How we will do it? Okay, I will return to my document. If I want to remove these bullets, okay, so I just go home. I open the bullet option. I will just choose none. It means no bullets. I can do the same for the numbered list. Okay, I will select all my numbered list. I go home, and here I will click none. Okay, so I removed the numbered list. Please remember none to remove. Okay, lesson number 10, checking spelling and grammar. So how we will check the spelling and the grammar? The automatic hyphenation, running the spelling and grammar checker, adding words to the custom dictionary. To use the check spelling and grammar of Microsoft Word, first we have to enable this option. So we will go File, Option, Proofing, and we have to tick the option Check Spelling as you type. File, Option, Proofing. File, option, proofing. So where is it? Here, the third one. Here you see when correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Check spelling as you type has to be checked. Okay? So what it means? It means when I type, I don't know, for example, I will go. So will, here I have a spelling mistake. So when I type, he will underline it in red. We will see how we will correct it. Okay? So here I have a mistake, spelling mistake. And how we will correct our mistakes, spelling mistakes. Okay? Using the spelling and grammar group. Okay? In the review tab, okay, click on the spelling and grammar option. Okay? But I will open the spell document from student folder. File, open, and okay, I'll make it smaller. Okay, so this is my document. Okay. Okay, so my documents contains spelling and grammar mistakes. So we will go review. Okay. The review tab. Okay. Just click on spelling and grammar. So here on the right, you have this window opening. Okay. Now here I have the word product. You see here I have a mistake. So I missed C, the letter C. Okay. So here he will suggest me the correction. Okay. So I will choose my correction. Okay. I replace it now. I correct it. Okay. You see? And he moved to the next word. Corimax. So review spelling and grammar. Corimax, it's not a mistake. It's the name of a software program. So I can add it to the dictionary. Okay. Or I can ignore it. Okay. So I have these options. He moved to difference, for example. Here you missed F. Okay. So he will suggest you the correction. I will click on my correction. Okay. R, I click here. Cheap discount. So I forget the space between cheap and discount. Okay. So I will click. Okay. Till the end. Calling. Okay. 3 minutes. Okay. False. So during the exam, they can tell you, for example, apply the spelling and grammar option to correct your document. Okay. configuration, okay. Look, here I have miss it, okay. Okay, in, ignore, follow, okay, till the end, okay. Okay, mela. Lesson number 11, using find and replace. Mela, find and replace. Mela, if I want to search for a particular word, we can use the find option of Microsoft Word. I will open this document, CGA, okay. So I will open from the student folder. When you practice at home, please open your document from the student folder. Let's see, GA. And I opened my document. Okay. And I want to find the word gift. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to click on the find option. Okay. Mela, I will go home, editing, find. Okay, I click find. Okay. Mela, the word is gift. I am searching for the word gift. Okay. So you can see here, he highlighted the word gift. In the exam, you have this question. He will tell you, search for the word, a particular word, for example, gift, and how many occurrence of this word. Here we have 15 occurrence. Okay, the word gift is repeated 15 times. Okay, is it clear this? Okay. Mela, I will move on.
Yes,
to the...
okay.
Yes, okay. Mela, using replace now. If I want to replace one word by another in my document, Mela, we will use the replace option. Okay? Mela, in the same document, I will replace foundation by organization. Foundation by organization. Mela, I will go. Mela, I will close this. No, Mela. Home first. Editing. Replace. You see here the second option. Or Control plus H. Replace. Okay. So find what you want to replace and replace with. Mela, what he told me. In the exam you will have this question. Mela, I will replace foundation. Instead of foundation, we will replace it by organization. Mela, I will write foundation. Find what? Foundation. The second option, I will write organization. Okay? Mela, I can replace one by one or replace all. Okay, Mela, one by one. I will write replace. sorry, كتبتها حزين foundation. Instead of D I write it S. ملا foundation organization. ملا replace. ملا here you have the first word is replaced. ملا here you have foundation replace. So you see he replaced it, okay, by organization. Okay. So he replaced all the word. Okay. Or I can do it at once, replace all. Okay. May I repeat? May home, editing, replace. I will replace foundation by organization. Replace all. He will replace all the occurrence of the word organization. Sorry, foundation by organization. Okay. All done. We made 2 replacements. Okay. Those. Lesson number 12, headers and footers. Okay. How we will create header and footer? Insert page numbers, insert a current date, inserting file name. Okay. I will open my file header footer. Okay. Sorry. File open. Header footer. Okay. I have many. Okay. So this is my document. Okay. Questions? We want to insert a header for my document. Okay. So I have to click on insert header. Okay. We will edit the header. Okay. And then we will insert a footer. Okay. What we should do, I will go to my document. Insert tab. First I will create a header. So I can choose a style. Okay. I will choose the first one. Okay. Thank. Okay. Sorry, I have to edit this. So for example, in my header, I will write lesson 1 Microsoft Word, for example. Okay. To create a footer, I just click on footer. I will choose a style of my footer. I will insert the date, for example. Okay. I go here, date and time. You see, insert date and time. Okay. Or page number. I can insert page number. Okay. Here we have page number. Okay. I can choose, for example, in the second option. Okay, in the middle. Okay. So it depends on the question. Okay. Okay, so here are the steps. Okay. Here I inserted the date. Okay. Okay, I can also select or insert a file name. Okay, so I go to document info button in the insert. Okay, and I choose file name. Okay, I will show you how to do it. The header. I will double click here on the header. Okay, I will make some space. Okay, I click on document info and I can, for example, insert the file name or the author. Okay. 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 Oh, there are many options. If I want to delete a header, okay, I go insert, header, and I click remove header. Okay. So header. Okay. And I insert. And I go header. Here you have this option, remove header. Okay, my header is removed from my document. Okay. If you don't have any questions, I will move on to the next. Working with tabs and tables now. Okay, we still have 10 minutes. Huh? So using tab stops. Okay, setting tab stops, deleting tab stops, clearing all tabs, how to insert a table, how to navigate the table, select the table, how we will insert rows and columns into table, adding text to a table, how to hide and show grid lines, how to insert rows and columns into table, changing column width and row height, drawing table, adding a border for the table, adding and removing shading. Okay. I will start by using the tab stops. Okay. Here you have the key tab of your keyboard. Okay. So the concept of the tab space, if you want the text to appear at fixed locations, it's good practice to use tabs in this way, to create spacing instead of inserting spaces, using the spacebar. It makes the selection and editing of the text and spaces so much easier and more efficient. Okay, so I show you an example. For example, here we have a left tab space. I wrote it gold, silver, platinum, and then I left a space. Okay, I centered my words. Okay, I inserted another tabs. Okay, the right, a line to the right, and then I inserted the decimals. Okay, for example, I will show you an example. I will open a blank document for now. ماذا؟ For example, item number, okay? I want to leave a space instead of typing a space. I will use the tab key of my keyboard, okay? I mean this key, okay? My computer start to be tired. ماذا؟ I will insert a tab at 7 centimeter of the ruler, okay? You see here you have 7. If I click here, you can see this symbol, okay? Here it means that my word will be aligned to the left. It's a left tab, okay? So if I press my my tab key of my keyboard, I will move to the next item number, okay? And I will, for example, write name. I want to insert a tab at 12 centimeter. I will just click on my ruler at 12 centimeter, and when I press tab, I will write my word. For example, price. Okay. For example, item number 1, up type. For example, I don't know, apple. Price. So here it's a value, okay? So what we have to do, we have to change the type of my tab to decimal, okay? So it's simple, okay? What we have to do, so I will change this tab. I will click on it. And a box, sorry, ماله. This is a left tab. I will remove it. So how to remove it? I just drag it off the ruler, okay? Down. I will drag it down. Here we have this symbol, okay, on the left. So I will change it to the number, okay? Here I have my price, for example. Okay. I will just remove this price. So you see here, if I enter the new line and I click tab, banana, for example, tab, okay. So the tabs will organize my text, okay?